So of course the ride is absolutely fantastic. Even with this being a 2012, just the smoothest ride ever. And it's a Bentley, so it's, you know, you're getting looks. It is a beautiful car. And sport mode is really where this car shines, because the paddle shifters allow you to get in that sweet spot where you can really push this 12-cylinder twin turbocharged engine to its limits. Oh man, this is just great. Such a fun car. And it really sounds amazing. And very quiet in the cabin, which is to be expected, but just coming down the interstate doing 65, very little intrusion within the interior. And those turbos are just crazy. This thing gets you up to speed so quickly. It's a marvel, it really is, that you're able to push a sedan this huge to speeds that quickly. Just incredible acceleration, absolutely incredible. And when you're not nailing it, it really goes back to being a super quiet, super luxurious four-door car. Just amazing. And this car really does just move through the gears so effortlessly. That twin turbo power is just, it doesn't get old, it really doesn't. Even in a vehicle that's 8 years old. Still got the performance that's just incredible. But that brings us to an end of my review of the 2012 Bentley Continental Flying Spur Speed.